Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content, where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. We try to learn about how they grow, we dabble a little bit into gardening, and yeah, that's what we do here. So if it sounds like a good time for you, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. So, it's June officially, which is the kickoff to my birthday month. So, got myself a little thing, and I'm gonna show you. It came in the mail, and yeah, I'm excited about it. Alrighty, see you in a bit. Alrighty, guys. So this is what I got. I'm excited. I'm going to cut it open, and I'll see you again when I get this thing open. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when you first open it up. There is some dirt. I think it was delivered through FedEx. They kind of just threw it on my stoop, but it is what it is. Okay. Look how pretty. Okay, so there is a lot of dirt, but we're going to just reuse that dirt. Look, this is how it was wrapped. You can obviously see that is the Scindapsus Moonlight. They have a little dole here, dole stick, bamboo stick thing here to prevent the plant from bouncing up and down. But yeah. Alrighty, I'm gonna get it out of the box, trying not to make a mess. I don't have my tripod, so we're doing it this one-handed, and I still have dye on my hands. Anyway. So yeah, when I get it out of here, I'll see you again. See ya. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you pull it out of the box. It was wedged in there pretty good, but it definitely did get tossed around. So I got the Scindapsus Moonlight, and I got it with a pot because I have a couple of the pots from the Trending Tropicals collection, and they are very boring looking, but I kind of want to spruce them up and kind of maybe do like a paint a pot with me type of deal. So I have a couple of pots already, so I think it'd be fun to do. I have to test out what kind of paint will stick to it. But as you can see, like, there's dirt everywhere. It's okay. It's okay. They do tape it down. Like, if FedEx hadn't thrown it around, it probably wouldn't have been this messy. But it is what it is, you know. This is why they wrap it so well, so that, and it's not easy. And if you haven't worked a customer service job, try it out, because it sucks, and maybe it'll put a couple of things in perspective for you. But anyway, so this is, I always am nervous this is like a little clump of poop whenever I see those things, but it's fine. It's fine. Alright. I'm going to pull all of this off first, and then I'll get you back on. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, we got it out of the bubble wrap from hell. I got the dark gray pot. It looks like it feels a little wet, but I think it'll be okay. It looks like the plant is in a nursery pot inside this pot, and then wrapped a whole bunch, so that's good to know. Yeah, so this is also why I kind of want to repaint some of the pots, because the pots are not, you know, they're boring. They're cheaply made. So I kind of want to just spruce them up and make them more interesting and cover up scratches and dings and stuff that they end up with. Alright. Let's see if I can rip this off with one hand. Nope. Let me actually put this back into the box, because there is a lot of dirt. And let's just see. Let's see what we get. Let's see how far I can get. with one hand. I hope I don't cut a leaf. Nope, I didn't. But, ooh, look at all that dirt. Girl, we're gonna have to repot this whole plant. There we go. Alright. So, this is what we got going so far. I mean, it looks like a full plant. It's not trailing yet, but that's okay. I have been looking for this plant for months at this point, and I don't know, I guess I just miss him, or wherever I am, they're not sending these out, or someone else is coming by and buying them all up, whatever the case may be. I have been looking for this plant. Okay, they also wrap it in shrink wrap. I will say, they try very hard to make sure that no dirt and stuff and nothing is broken, but it's okay. I'd rather they try very hard and only have a little bit of a mess as not trying at all with a bigger mess and a possibly dead plant. Alright, so I will get back to you guys when I get all this off and the whole plant is out. Yeah, alright, see you in a bit. Alright, so we got the plant out. This is where I guess a lot of the dirt fell out. So we're just going to pour that back in there. But I just want to give you a quick look. This is the Scindapsus Moonlight. It's supposed to have like a nice bluish silvery sheen to it, and it does. I'm very excited for this guy to grow. I don't see anything dead on here yet. We got a new growth point there. We got something trying to grow here. It looks like this guy grew while it was in the mail because it's all white, so I don't know about that one. But we got a growth point here, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna clean her up, and yeah, so this was my little birthday gift to myself. A box of dirt and some leaves. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like all cleaned up. The total price was $50. It came with a pot, the plant, and a bamboo stick. You know, it's a little bit more money than I like to spend on a plant, but it is a full plant. It's something I've been looking for months, literally. And yeah, it's my birthday month, so I celebrate all month. So what do you guys do? Do you guys celebrate just the month, the week, the day? How do you guys celebrate your birthdays? Do you celebrate your birthdays? Do you do something else? Alright, let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.